Hi everyone, it's me, Val, with Val's Creation Studios. I have what I learned from Cat Hand is some inspirational journals. And I have 8 of them. I have 4 covered in material, and they have product fleecing underneath the material. The 2 signatures are sewn in. This has purple and white, and I will show you what an inspirational journal is. Here's a flowered one, and what she used is her checkbook transfers, your deposit records and stuff, empty ones you have laying around. And they each have, one has 5, but they each have 4, 8 pages all together. And this one, I put the graph paper in it, and the paper inside. This one, I like this one. This one's cute. Has the transaction registers. This one has 5 each in each signature, and then I use the burlap in the inside. So let's move the fabric ones to the side. The paper ones, now this one right here, I did a traveler's notebook with butterfly dreams. This one's popped up and has there, and it has some ribbon there, and it has the diamond crystals, the diamond dust on the spine. And it has the inside papers, just the plain white. And then this one, I like this one. This one has the green paper, and then I use material, just a piece of material for the spine. And it has the green paper on the inside. And then this one turned out cute. Has the paper here, and then the pink gingham material. And I use coffee dyed paper, or tea dyed. These are all tea dyed papers. And then I just painted the inside with the pearl. Thought there was a bug on me. Bug season. I can't stand bug season. This one, now I'll put in the description where I got these from. It's a digital download, and you get the different definitions. You get some with flowers, some without. They're neat. I'll have to find that link and put it in there. Can't remember who. And I just fussy cut a flower out. I just Mod Podge book paper all over it, and it has the marbling paper inside, and it just has the plain white. Well, Cat Hand, I learned this from Cat Hand. I'll put a link to her video down there as well. And what it is, I don't know if you can see all those. Well, they're up there. What it is each month she comes out and she has a group, and the only thing, I don't know if I belong to the group or not. I'll have to check. I'll leave a link to the group, and they do a page together every month. So this is what you call an inspirational journal. mixed media morsels, inspirational quotes, and I put from my friends, because there's some I get from my friends. And I just covered this in pink gingham paper and did some washi tape there, put that there and put a little flower, and then I drew some decorations on there with the gold pen. And that's the first page. And then this is the first one. I think I matched her quote. You can do it however you want, but she wants you to match the quotes. But I didn't match the quotes in the other ones because I hadn't seen them, and I went ahead and I was working and doing, and I jumped ahead. So anyway, I used some stickers that I had, or cutouts, and it's from Joseph Clifton Pierce. To live a creative life. Gosh, I'm gonna have to get my To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. That's terrible. I'm blind. So I just put some flowers, and I put a flower there. Isn't that pretty? And some, and you can see hers, and I'll leave a link to her channel below. And then this one I just put, covered it with the brown craft paper, and I put some paper that I ran through the an embossing folder. I put a button, a flower, a leaf, and some lace, and 2 dots down here, and some flowers, and book. And it says, creativity takes courage. And then the third one, I did the cork, and I put play. I know she put play, but I know the quote is different. You can never have too much happy. And then it just has a little thing that goes there, and some washi, and some doodling. And now this one, I did like she did, and I put one of those definitions of laugh. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. And I painted the background how she did, and I followed, and I put my little 3 crystals, and I drew the flower, and I painted it in, and I did some stenciling. This was neat to do. This was fun to do. This was fun to follow her, and I followed her on this one, except for the quote. So then the next one coming out would be these 2 pages together. And I don't know what that's going to be. She hasn't come out with that yet. So that is what you call an inspirational journal. So I made, and this one I did the same way. You paint the background. I did some stenciling. There's some washi tape. It's fun to do mixed media. And it helps me because I had never done it before, and I've learned a lot from doing it. So this one is mine. I just wrap that baby around there and stuff it in. Now I didn't put any ties on this because I wanted whoever buys them, they will be in my Etsy shop, and you can join her group. I thought I would make some available, and mine are made differently than hers. She has a video on how she made. She doesn't put the project fleecing in there. I did. I put the project fleecing, so it's kind of, it's cushioned in all of the material ones. And then I didn't put closures or decorate them in any way, except for this one's kind of decorated, and so's this one, but you'll be able to do whatever you want. But I'll leave a link to her group, and these will be in my Etsy, and maybe you can just go along and learn. I've learned so much from Cat Hand. It's just, she's taught me a lot, and it helps me. I've never done it before, the mixed media and stuff, and it's helped me become, I believe, more creative. So I will leave those links. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and like this video. And I'm so glad and happy and blessed to be back making videos and able to upload them. They're not taking as long as they used to. Got a little bit better internet connection, so thank you again. Hugs and blessings to you always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.